Hey guys, Sami here. Welcome to another boring unboxing video. This time we're gonna check out Xiaomi's sub-brand, Black Shark's latest gaming phones, Black Shark 3 and 3 Pro. The left package is the Pro version, seems with more patterns. Of course, you pay more, you get more, right? Just kidding. Anyway, this time Black Shark cooperates with Tencent Games to present you this series. Last time Tencent cooperated with Asus ROG, and ROG now got shut down. Let's just open them. As you'd expect, the first layer is the phone case. Paperwork those. What's funny is the Wolves put some slogans on that. Those reads to me are super contrived and cheesy. I'm really glad that most of you guys don't speak Chinese and don't have to go through the pain I've experienced. Then is the phone. Let's just put it aside, we'll take a good look later. Then is the power adapter and the cable. The charger for the Black Shark 3 supports up to 60 watt, while the Pro version is 65 watt. Alright, move to the phone. Here are some specs about the Pro version. As you can see, it's heavy and gigantic. I would say it's the biggest phone I've ever used. Just to give you an idea of how big it is, I will just compare it with other phones. The hand feel of the phone is quite nice. The perfect symmetrical design on the front and the back looks sleek and premium. I just love the alignment way of the triple rear camera and the magnetic charging port. Since it's a gaming phone, so all of the keys are not arranged in a way we would normally see on a regular phone. Like when you single hand hold it, it's even hard for you to reach the power key or the volume key. But once you put it horizontally, everything's fine. Those keys and even the headphone port, the charging port are all in the perfect position as they should be. Alright, for the screen, the two phones differ in terms of details, as the Black Shark 3 touts a 6.67-inch Full HD Plus OLED screen, while the Pro variant has a monster 7.1-inch 3120 by 1440 OLED panel. They also support a 270Hz touch sampling rate and claims to record low latency of 24 milliseconds. The biggest upgrade for the Pro version, I guess, is the shoulder buttons, and the official called Master buttons. I'm really glad to see this option here, as extra inputs are always appreciated. It's not the first time we've seen shoulder inputs on a gaming phone, as the Asus ROG phone series offers capacitive triggers, but Black Shark is offering full-blown physical shoulder buttons there, which offers better tactile feedback. It feels just great. It even comes with the wall effect. Check it out. In the settings, the pressure-sensitive zone feature is still there, and this time extends to almost all of the screen. It supports voice assistant as well, but I'm not sure if the device recognizes English or other languages. I cannot test with that because the phone firmware doesn't support voice control yet. I will test later once it gets updated, so subscribe if you haven't. Anyway, in my opinion, all the fantasy custom settings you've dreamed for the gaming can be adjusted here. I'm not going to elaborate that, as we'll put another full gaming test video later on my channel. Stay tuned for that. Alright, that's the video. Thanks for watching. Special thanks to my content partners, JD 大手哥, YM Tech. I'm Sami. See you next time.